In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your recordings on Zoom for Windows. Whether you're a student, professional, or anyone who uses Zoom frequently, knowing how to access your recordings is crucial. You may want to review a previous meeting or save important details from a session, and finding those recordings quickly can save you a lot of time and hassle. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the Zoom client installed on your Windows computer and that you're logged into your account. You might be wondering why this is important. Simply put, your recordings are associated with the account under which you made the recordings. Once you're logged in, open the Zoom client. You'll notice an array of buttons and options designed to help you navigate through the app seamlessly. Look for the Meetings tab. It's usually located on the home screen of your Zoom client and is symbolized by a small clock icon. Upon clicking the Meetings tab, a new set of options will appear. On the left side of this page, you'll see two sections, Upcoming and Recorded. The Recorded section displays your meetings and webinars after they've ended. So go ahead and click on Recorded. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the Recorded tab, you'll see a list of recordings associated with your account. Now, it's important to note that there are two types of recordings, local recordings and cloud recordings. If your account has cloud recording enabled, you might see both options. Local recordings are saved directly on your computer, while cloud recordings are saved to Zoom's cloud storage. If you only see local recordings, don't worry, this just means your meetings are saved on your device. Select the recording you wish to view by clicking on it. Upon selecting a recording, you'll see two main buttons, Play, which allows you to watch the recording directly from here, and Open, which will take you to the folder where this recording is stored on your computer. This is exceptionally handy when you need to transfer, rename, or back up your recordings. Now, if you're looking at cloud recordings, simply click the hyperlink that redirects you to the Zoom website, where you may need to log in again if you haven't already. From there, you can play your recordings or download them directly to your computer. A quick tip before we wrap up: it's always a good practice to regularly check your Zoom recording settings to ensure everything is configured correctly according to your needs. Keeping your software up to date is also essential for accessing the latest features and fixing any potential bugs. And there you have it. Now you're all set to find and manage your Zoom recordings efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials on using Zoom like a pro.